Of the few things that I hate about dirt bikes, one is riding a dirt bike that runs terribly. And if your two-stroke has one of these 5 symptoms, it doesn't run good. And for me, I would want to get it fixed ASAP. Sign number 1 is if it's bogging when you're trying to accelerate. So you turn the throttle, whether it's quarter, half, full throttle, and it bogs or hesitates. Super annoying. It kills the fun out of riding, and it can actually be dangerous if you're trying to ride up a hill or get over an obstacle. You'd want to accelerate and just nothing, which can actually cause you to stall out and crash. Sign number 2 that your two-stroke runs terribly is if it's constantly fouling spark plugs. So if you're having to replace them every 5 hours or less, or like every single ride, I would hate that. That's so annoying. I've talked to people that say, oh, I'd rather replace a spark plug than risk having my jetting too lean. And yeah, while running too lean can cause damage, running too rich can cause just about as much damage, and it's a lot more frustrating because it takes time out of my day. I have to work on my bike more, and if it happens out in the middle of the trail and I forget a spark plug, oops, I'm stuck out in the middle of nowhere. Sign number 3 is it takes 5 or more kicks to start your two-stroke. Two-strokes are normally really easy to start compared to a high compression 4-stroke, so it should start in 1 to 2 kicks, maybe 3 when cold. So if it's taken more than 5, that's a good sign that it could use some tuning, and sometimes it's just a simple adjustment of the air screw. I can show you how to do it in just a few minutes, even if you never touched a car before. I got a link in the description below. Sign number 4 is when the power goes flat at high RPM. So you got a two-stroke, maybe a CR125. It's supposed to have snappy power. Some two-strokes have good low-end and mid-range torque, but if it doesn't have good top-end power, it just runs flat. That's super annoying. It's not fun. Just you might as well be riding an electric. Sign number 5 is if it has a hanging or inconsistent idle. So you rev it up, let off the throttle. It takes several seconds or longer for the RPM to settle down. This is not only annoying, but it can be dangerous if you're riding like that and you let off the throttle and it wants to keep accelerating and you're riding in the tight woods. Well, there might be a tree in front of you and you're trying to stop, but it keeps accelerating. And if your bike is bogging or you think it's rich or lean but not really sure, you should check out this video right here. I'm Kelly Fagan from MX Hideout. Ride safe, have fun.